Do it again.
Get up, Nick. Stay on him. Stay on him, Nick.
Hold that leg. Roll him over. Roll him over.
Keep moving.
There you go. There you go. Almost. Keep going. Use your head.
That's it, Nick. Keep fighting.
There you go. Lock it in. Lock in. You got him. Squeeze that tight. Squeeze that tight.
Come on, Nick. You got to keep fighting.
Stay on his chest.
You got it, Z. Stay right there.